the theme of tonight, the word of tonight is restoration.
Yeah.
And to me that means coming home. It means what Brother Franco said. It means speaking to, believing what I am, the goodness, the lovability. And what we learned in Pop is that restoration begins with a word. Speaking and believing, and it can take off from there. So that's what we're gonna sing about that right now. And after you learn it, I'd love for you to sing it with me. I'm restored, I've been rewarded, I'm redeemed from guilt and shame, never rejected, just reconnected. Now I'm exalted because He knows my name. Well, I'm restored, I've been rewarded, I'm redeemed from guilt and shame, never rejected, just reconnected. Now I'm exalted because He knows my name. Restored, 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 restored. Yes, I am. Will you stand up and sing that with me? Restored, restored, restored. Yes, I am. Let's sing that again. Restored, 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 restored. Yes, I am. I'm restored. I've been rewarded. I'm redeemed from guilt and shame. Never rejected, just reconnected. Now I'm exalted because He knows my name.